Well, alright everyone, that was one of the best sailways from Port Canaveral I ever had, guys. Well, that's right, guys. We made it back to the helipad. Good to be back here. Yeah, we're gonna watch our sailaway from Port Canaveral. It is a very pretty sailaway again. I haven't been back to Port Canaveral actually since Harmony in September. So good to be back here at my local cruise port. So we'll take you around because we still have like a few more minutes till our sailaway. But right there, fish lips and grills right over there. The terminal right there. We board on them.
Can I get a picture here?
Then we're gonna go this way, guys. We can still see the King of the World, Everest. Everyone knows that one, you know, Titanic. Yeah. It is almost time for our sailaway.
Do what you want.
I'm going to set up the cameras, and we're going to do our sailaway from Port Canaveral. Well, alright everyone, that was one of the best sailways from Port Canaveral I ever had, guys. Honest to goodness, the weather is so perfecto. And also, guys, we saw Mr. Steven SpaceX fairing catching on the way out. Couldn't ask for a better sailaway. Met some great folks, and again, honest to goodness, one of the best sailways I have seen from Port Canaveral. Anyway, guys, we are going to go back to the cabin, get dressed, hopefully, if our luggage has arrived. Also, we're going to be heading to the Diamond Club for some Diamond Happy Hour. And also, you know, if you guys haven't already, if you sail at Port Canaveral, make sure you guys do the helipad for the sailaway. It is, honest to goodness, amazing. So, again, a helipad is available. It's free on all Freedom and Voyager class ships. So, again, come to the helipad and do it. Well, alright everyone, we are all changed, ready for the Diamond Club and dinner. We're gonna head up to deck number, I believe 13, this is where it is. It's up in the Viking Crown Lounge, so without further ado, let's head up to the Diamond Club. Also, guys, if you're going up to the Viking Crown Lounge on deck 14, it's actually 13, like I'm saying, because they changed the name, but you have to use these lifts right here because yeah, else it won't work. Wow, guys, we are here in the overflow. I mean, the Diamond Club's right behind us, but there's too much people in there, so again, I do hope Royal Caribbean does solve this problem. I know almost cruises ever go on, this has to be an overflow because the club's packed. The only cruise we went on that was empty was Navigator. That club was empty, but yeah, this one's packed. But got myself a Coke, complimentary, thanks to Royal Caribbean. Got me some cheesecake, I think. So nice pre-cruise snack. Again, very good here at the outside of the overflow for the Diamond Club. And yeah, so I just recorded. So I'm gonna record some time lapses now, and you're gonna see them in 3, 2, 1. Well, alright everyone, that was a awesome time there in the overflow for the Diamond Club. And yeah, guys, so we're going to go ahead now to the mini golf. Save this for you guys later in the week, but it's kind of time for you guys to see the mini golf course here in Matter of the Sea. So let's go play some mini golf.
Here we go. Oh no! Oh yeah, here we go. This is number 4. Yay! Okay, here we go. Ah, humbug. 3, yes. All right, here we go. This is the hole number 5. What does this mean? Here we go. Ah, here we go. Oh my gosh, we're gonna make it. Humbug.
Okay, here we go. That's why you don't play golf one-handed.
Oh, I'm not seeing maybe. Oh, I'm just gonna go around. Oh my goodness, it's like, oh no!
Well, alright everyone, that was an amazing time on the mini golf, guys. It was super cool. I know it's a little windy out now because it's windy, ship's rocking, and if you were wondering why there wasn't really a lot of like footage, it is all because of, there actually was a lot of footage, but there wasn't like that many cool shots. We're gonna come back later in this cruise though and shoot it again. It shouldn't be as windy, and well, it's gonna be daytime out, so we'll play that again later in this cruise. It's a cool feature aboard these amplified ships, the new mini golf course. Guys, come and check it out. But now we're gonna head down to the Peekaboo Bridge and hopefully be able to look in and see the people who are driving the ship. Well, alright guys, we made it here to the Peekaboo Bridge, and as you can see, it is closed for today, but there is something very cool though. The Peekaboo Bridge is there's a map right here, guys. So right here is the chart. So this shows us where we're going. So it has our ETA is right there. So our ETA. So it shows us where we are going. This has our channel right here, so you can see where we are. Right here, I believe. The Jacksonville right there, pretty cool. The Coast Guard station, Fort Pierce. Look at the Lake Worth Coast Guard station. You can see Grand Bahamas right down there. So overall, it's pretty cool. I know you can't see my face, but pretty cool here at the Peekaboo Bridge. Well, alright guys, I know you thought it was gonna be there was a super cool cinematic montage you guys just saw, but now it's kind of boring. But this is one of the weird parts about cruising, right? So we called up Royal Caribbean and corporate, and we changed our dining room to 5:30. I mean, from 5:30 to 8 o'clock. Well, somehow it didn't go through, so we're in the middle of switching it right now. So hopefully it all works out and we can have dinner at 5:30. I mean 8:30. We hopefully all can have dinner at 8:30. Alright guys, well we're here and it's time to eat. Alright guys, here's today's menu. So for our main selection we got the chicken Waldorf salad, the antipasta, some creamy wild mushroom soup, and down here we got the normal, the seasoned fruit melody, the escargot, shrimp cocktail, Caesar salad, and the beef French onion soup. For our main courses we got fish seafood mash, we got our chicken masala, slow roasted prime rib, and we got the classic, which is I always have, the strip steak, the spaghetti, got some chicken breast, and then in the main thing right here we got the warm hazelnut, and then the key lime pie. I'm gonna have the Caesar salad, and then the seasoned fruit melody, and then I'll have the spaghetti bulgogi, and then I'll have for dessert I'll have the apple pie, and then the key lime pie. Well, alright everyone, our appetizers just arrived, and so I got the seasoned fruit melody like you just heard me say, and it's pretty good. Now let you guys know how I like this, and then we got the Caesar salad. So yeah, so we'll give it a try.
I think this smells so good.
Well, alright everyone, that was an amazing Caesar salad, and I have to say though guys that it was very consistent. I'm happy to report that this ship's food is consistent with Harmony, Navigator, and Explorer of the Seas, so I'm very happy to report that. So here's the entrees. Alrighty guys, well our entree has arrived, and for dinner I got this spaghetti bolognese, and again I'm very excited. I never had this on roll before. I'm very excited to go give this one a try. Gotta let you guys know how that is, and it looks very good, so let's dig right in. Oh yeah, very good. Well, alright everyone, that was an amazing dinner, and we are waiting for dessert right now, but honest to goodness guys, the spaghetti bolognese I get why everyone raves about it. It is so good, highly recommended. It is up here with the New York strip steak, highly recommended. Now and this was ordered off the classic menu. So basically, if you guys don't know, on Royal Caribbean there's two sides of the menu. There's your classic, which is basically served every day, it's the same thing, and then there is your specialties, which is served there's a new day, the chef puts together every day a new 3 sections. Well, alright guys, it is now time for dessert, and for dessert guys, we're kicking it off with the apple pie. Now again, I had this first on Navigator of the Season, and I'm happy to say it is so good guys. So I'll let you guys know, maybe they changed recipe on Mariner, but I'll let you guys know what I feel about it right after we dig right in and have some apple pie. Well, alright everyone, that was an amazing meal here at the dining room. Up next we're going to actually have the key lime pie. I have not had key lime pie since 3 years. It's been 3 years since I had key lime pie. Well, alright guys, that was an amazing dinner here in the main dining room. Again, the key lime pie was okay. I mean, I'm not a big key lime pie fan, but hey, if you like key lime pie, it's pretty good. But anyway guys, we're gonna head up deck and go see what fun we can get myself into. Well, alright guys, we're gonna go play some ping pong, but it is super windy out, and that ain't gonna happen because the ball, we were playing a little bit earlier and it blew right off the ship, so instead I want to play some basketball. So you're gonna see that in 3, 2, 1. Well, alright guys, that was an awesome game of basketball on the sports court. Again, I'm sorry I not get to be able to play ping pong guys, but well, it is a little windy out today. If you guys can tell by the mic. If you guys can't, well, it's super windy. If you take it from mind, we lost a ping pong ball off the side of the ship. Also, there's one right here. And the ping pong table is like way over there. Another guy's losing one ping pong. It's really windy out guys, but yeah, I'm gonna head to the cabin, and guys, guess what? That is it, guys, for the Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog, episode number 4, guys. And hopefully you guys did enjoy our day 1 part 2. So yeah, guys, tomorrow we are in perfect day at Coco Cay tomorrow. It's gonna be a perfect day because you know it always is a perfect day at Coco Cay. I do have some big plans. Hopefully they all go through, and we're able to do all those plans. And yeah guys, if you guys did enjoy this series, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right down below and click the notifications bell. And when you guys do that, you'll be notified every time I upload another video in this amazing Mariner of the Seas cruise vlog series. Yeah, again guys, we're a perfect day tomorrow. So again, I'm Tyler and you're watching The Tyler Show. See you guys tomorrow.